Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here using the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Cremated Palette. So if you want to know how to get this look and what I think of it, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the video. I'm applying the P. Louise base shade 2. And I'm just applying it with the brush from Makeup Shack. It's just a concealer brush. And it blends it out really nicely. I am not going to set the base. I'm just going to leave it as is. And let's jump into this baby right here. Look how pretty it looks. Look at that. And let me show you the inside. There it is. That's the palette right there. I've been dying to try it. I think I bought this over a month ago and I'm barely getting to it. I know Jeffree Star has been involved in a lot of drama and that's not my place to talk about it. I've used palettes of his before and I love them. And I've also used his lipsticks, which are really nice. But I just love the products. I don't know about him, but don't come at me. Don't give me a thumbs down just because he goes through everything. So I just love the products. Okay, so that's just a disclaimer right there. I'm starting with the black shade right here. And I'm using that with the Morphe M506. So I'm starting it with the small brush. And I'm just putting it on the front and back side of my eye. That's how I began applying it. This is such a nice shade. It has like a blue undertone when you look at it really up close. And then I connect the two. I don't care if I get it in the middle. I'm gonna cut the halo eye anyway. So this is going to be a halo eye, not a spotlight effect. I don't know what I said, but it's going to be a halo eye. So right here in this spot, you just have to pack it on. This is the most important part. You need to pack on and leave it as is, and then take another brush to blend it out. So now I'm just taking another small brush that looks like this. And just blending it out with no product. Now I'm taking this white-haired brush and I'm taking the next shade, which is called Grave Digger. It's this one here. Hopefully I'm pointing to the right one. So I'm taking that one. That's the next shade down, and I'm just gonna blend out the second shade. And I'm putting my brush on the black shade and on the other part, so I'm putting it on both sides. These eyeshadows are working really nice. They are not patchy. I don't have a lot of fallout. Actually, just a little tiny bit right there, but that's about it, which is great. The next shade that I'm taking is called RIP. This one here. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Wednesday as well. It's another gray one. And then I'm adding the black shade. So I'm just packing it on. Oh yes. And I'm just blending it with the white haired brush. I haven't done a smoky eye in so long. If you go back into my old videos, I don't know when the last time was that I did a smoky eye. Maybe like 2-3 years ago. But I'm glad I'm doing another one. I've missed smoky eyes. I can do more if y'all want to. But now I'm just gonna take the P. Louise base once again. Put it in the back of my hand. And I'm gonna take a concealer brush. This one is from Morphe. And I'm just pressing it on the bottom part. And then looking up. So I look up to the camera. And up to here is where I'm supposed to cut it. I hope you guys can see everything. And the camera is not too far away. Now I'm just going to use my finger for the first shimmer shade, which is Angel of Death, the second one. It's like a black sparkly shade. So it's gonna be the first shade that I'm going to apply. Ooh, pretty. It's really, really dark. You can't see the sparkle at all. Now I'm taking another sparkly shade, which is this one here. And I'm gonna take it with my finger first, as always. OMG, that is so pretty, you guys. You can't really see it though. Okay, now I can see it. Look at that. Now I'm just taking the black shade and just blending it all out. Even though you can't really see where it ends and where it stops. But this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna do the other side off camera and my whole face, just so you guys can see how it looks like when everything is done. I'll even do my eyebrows, but I'll come back to do my eyelashes and the lower lash line and my lips with you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back and I put on one lash and now I'm gonna put the other one with you guys, and I'm using the Tatti Lashes in the style TL3. I hope you guys can see. So these are the lashes and I love these lashes. I think these are my top 3 or top 5 lashes. These, and then the Oh Honey lashes, and then the ones from Lily Lashes. Those are also good. And I forgot to tell you guys, but this palette retails for $58 on the JeffreeStar Cosmetics website. You do have the option to do Afterpay, and you would be able to pay it in 4 installments of $14.50. So make sure you check it out if you like it. And I did do my eyeliner off camera as well. I used the Sigma eyeliner. This is the Longwear eyeliner pencil. And then I used my NYX liquid matte liner for the top. And that's it. So now I'm just gonna do my lip liner. This is the KKW Beauty lip liner Nude 2. I do want to pick up Nude 1.5, but they're always out of stock. So this is a little dark for some of you. And I'm gonna use a nude lipstick like always. Surprise, surprise. And I'm using the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the shade I'm Nude. This is my favorite liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is my second bottle, I think. Look how pretty it is. It's the nudest of the nudes. For the lower lashes, I'm going to use Grave Digger. These names are crazy. I hope you guys can see that. Now I'm just putting on some mascara, like always, Museo Big by Lancome. It's lasted me so long, I'm surprised. All the shades worked out perfectly. I give this palette an A in my opinion. I liked it even better than the blue palette. I think it was the Blue Blood palette that I reviewed last time. And I think this one's better. So definitely check it out if you need a smoky eyeshadow palette in your collection. I heard the ColourPop has a dupe and I think I have it too. I need to definitely film a video with that one, but the ColourPop is $12 and it has like 12 shades, and this one has a little bit of more shades obviously, and you do get a mirror, so it's perfect for travel. And then, well, the front you get the Jeffree star here, and in the back you just get the logo. And I love the packaging. I wish that this was marble as well. This one's like a marble on there and it says cremated. But yeah, definitely check it out, especially because he has like 4 payment plans that you can do in 4 months. So every month you just get billed, and I think that's amazing. So definitely check it out. And this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you want me to review any more palettes or foundations. There is a foundation that is coming out soon that I want to review, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.